Instagram algorithm unlocked. Today we take another deep dive into the Instagram algorithm to find ways that you can use it to grow your real estate business. I'm Sarah Pinnell, and this is Open House. On the last episode of Open House, we discussed that the understanding of one Instagram algorithm in general is wrong. Instead of one algorithm controlling the entire Instagram app, Instagram has multiple algorithms tailored to the specific parts of the Instagram app. For example, the feed and story sections on Instagram have their own algorithm that's tailored specifically to those specific parts. With that being said, let's take a look at the Explore tab. The Explore tab was designed to help you discover new things on Instagram. The grid is made up of recommendations, photos, and videos that Instagram finds for you, which is very different from feeds and stories, where the vast majority of what you see is from the accounts you follow. On the Explore tab, all of the photos, videos, and posts that you're seeing are from random users that Instagram deems worthy of being on your Explore tab. Think of the Explore tab like you would a Google search page. You're gonna be able to find keywords as well as relevant posts based on what you're searching for, which is why hashtags are also so important. So how exactly does Instagram decide which posts, videos, and reels are getting placed on your Explore tab? Instagram decides which posts show up highest on your Explore tab based on the posts they think you're going to be most interested in. Now, the way they determine which posts you will be most interested in is going to be your past likes, your past saves, and the past comments you've made on other posts. Now, in order to use Instagram to actually grow our real estate business, it is crucial that we are placed on that Explore tab, which means we need to be using hashtags, location tags, as well as keywords in all of our posts, as well as our bio. Now, being placed on the Explore tab is how you can grow your local audience, grow your local influence, and in turn, grow your local real estate business. In order to make sure you have the most likelihood of being placed on the Explore tab, make sure your posts have at least 10 to 15 hashtags, and that you're using location tags, especially on listing posts. And the last quick Instagram tip I have for you is make sure your profile is always up to date and on brand. For a complete list of what to have and what not to have on your Instagram profile, download our free Instagram ABCs resource and follow our social media channels at the Paperless Agent. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Open House. I hope these insights into the Instagram algorithm will help you grow your real estate business. And as always, join us next time. We'll see you then.